does everybody have their own house except for me?
I'm just gonna take the house.
We could make like another little house.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I've repaired the
I don't know.
I need more water.
I mean, this house, I worked on it for
Yeah,
like,
technically this is your house. Since you're like the
I
main...
repaired the portal.
I made
Yeah,
this
I have-
whole
Does anyone
house.
ever go- does anyone
Every
ever go
single
in the-
bit of this house is made by
There's,
me.
like, we need to work on the storage room down there. Because I have...
Yeah, does anyone even go down here?
No one
Some.
wants to go into it after it's been called kangaroos. You know?
I would happily go.
Yeah,
I'm about to say, yeah, I'm going in there now. Yeah, I'm happily going into there. Samu could break my ankles. I don't care.
Does anyone have any blue dye?
that, you shouldn't be taking that so lightly.
Maybe. I'll go check. He can break my ankles. I don't care.
I'm scared for you, honestly. Like,
I have, what, 400 images of a certain celebrity? No wonder you're worried for me.
yeah, you literally spammed them to my phone, and my phone almost
What
died.
kind of blue do you need? Wanted a picture of them.
Dark
When you're
blue.
one of the pictures I had. You need light
No, you know,
blue or
no, dark blue. You know what I need? I need sanity. Okay.
I need
That is really cool.
Now we kill...
Oh, someone made. Who was that nice person that finished the portal?
I
Not
don't
me.
even have the...
I'm not sure who it is, but thanks.
Bruh! I'm trying to give you blue dye and you're just running away.
Yeah, I'm going to the nether, bitches. Bye.
Right, then don't die. If you die, then I am
Why? Stop hitting me.
not can go at bottom right.
Hey, yo, stop hitting me. Hey, why are you hitting me?
Jasper's
Make
meridian.
your die. Jesus Christ.
Like, hey, you go die. Okay, time to go to the
I'm
nether.
gonna,
Okay, I don't know.
I'm gonna shut the door. I need to make a sword, and then I can...
Shut the front door.
Oh god! Oh god!
Okay, I'm going back. This is scary.
The zombie!
Oh my god. An enderman was about to get me.
I'm fighting these zombies. I'm bored. Is there a cave system?
There
Yeah.
is, do you wanna go there? There's like...
Yeah.
Do you wanna dive into a ravine?
Yes. Would you like to
You have
die?
a pansexual flag, teach me. Do you want me to make you one? Oh my god, there are a lot of foxes. What is wrong with you? What do you mean? These are my pets.
Can someone?
I'm not in bed. I'm not in bed, so I go drop their item.
I'm gonna.
You got Eliza. You got who the hell are you?
Can someone please
Okay, that is I
go to
need,
bed?
something to give to
Make it this, make that.
Guys, I have a challenge for you.
What's the
What's
challenge?
the challenge?
Whoever finds me first will get a diamond free.
Oh my god, I am going
What
to
are the rules?
win.
You just have to find me. It's really that simple.
Okay.
Without teleporting.
Oh damn it! I was about to teleport.
Aw. I want to sleep. So
From here.
Yeah.
I don't even know where I am.
Down here. I forgot you down here. Rising no permission. I'm scared of what you've done.
Oh, here's the
What do you mean?
stairs.
Oh no! Huh.
Oh wait, I don't have. Oh wait, I do have food.
I need... Why is it fast? Like, right? Oh, okay.
Oh, I think you have a problem with foxes and cacti. Oh, damn it. I was about to say I'm glad I need those.
Straight. Yeah. Okay.
I need more yellow
Oh my
dye.
god, who let... Ah! Ah! You just left?
You just left.
Hey, does anyone have any yellow dye or yellow flowers? Oh, you have a sword. But that's
Yeah, I have... I'm...
Can we turn? Oh my god. Okay, I'm going into this house.
I have a lot of bread.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We were
Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Alright, okay.
What
Bye.
Oh,
happened?
does someone have one piece of string?
The thing came after me.
Did you do any bad things to the furnace house?
No.
The furnace house.
No, it's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna
The
go
furnace
find
house
a
is
piece
fine.
of
Oh
string.
wow.
Oh, there's a
Tell them I have
Oh,
string.
Thank you.
You have like 22.
Oh, nice.
There you go. I have
Yay.
things. Wait, are we still looking for you, or have you been found? Why is there a house just made of furnaces?
We
I don't know. Ask
Don't
Jim.
judge. Gotta respect it.
Have you been found
would
yet?
like anywhere in this
What
place.
the hell?
I'm gonna take it from the villagers because no one cares about them.
Gotta respect the furnace house.
Eleanor, respect villager lives. Disrespect.
They're all
the one
dead.
There's the one who at the beginning said I'm gonna go kill villagers for no reason. Oh,
It doesn't say if you go to the nether.
get me in here. I'm scared.
I think he's in the nether.
Bye.
I basically
Hi.
went here to the nether one. Oh wait, did someone find gems?
I don't know. Maybe he went to the nether.
Let him starve to death.
True.
Well, I can say that I'm not in the nether.
Okay.
I can tell you that much. I am within the general facility.
There's
Wait,
a
has
creeper
anyone
near the
checked
furnace house.
the desert temple?
Ah!
There's a creeper near the furnace house.
Oh god damn it.
If
I
you
can
blow up
also-
furnace house, I swear to you, Keems,
Teams. I think she did.
Run away.
Mal,
Run
Mal,
away.
did you blow up the furnace house?
Hit and run. hit
I
and
want to
run.
look at the furnace house because I haven't seen
Oh, I think you did. That looks like it's burnt.
I'm not the one at the crime scene, so you can't blame me.
Oh, yep.
Oh my God,
Yep,
the
she
furnace house
destroyed it.
it.
Yep. It's
I
destroyed.
wasn't at the crime
I will kill you and your whole family. How
I
dare?
wasn't at the crime scene.
Touch the sheet.
What have you done with this? It looks disgusting. What have you done?
It was Malachi, not me!
Okay, no, I might have done something, but I didn't do this.
Yeah, this looks. This who tried to fix this made it look terrible.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sam. Who dare?
Why's a bunch of torches everywhere? That's weird.
I'm just
Wait.
gonna store my stuff here.
Hello.
I ain't coming out.
Hi.
When I came
Hi, I
out,
found
What
you.
happened here?
I found you. I
like-
found you. Give me diamond. give me diamond.
Bro, what happened here?
Blame that one.
this cat.
I didn't go
Alright.
near. I didn't go
Look at
any.
me in the eye and tell me what happened.
I have no
Okay.
idea.
Oh, you. That's a
I
bit
was
close.
running away, and then I heard a loud noise. And then that one was just stood in the inside.
That one.
Really?
That one.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Cat.
Only the viewers will hear that.
I just find out, dude. I have no clue. That was not me,
You
by
just
the
hit
way.
me.
What's your ship?
Whoever hit me, your game's smited.
By the way, one of this is cannon. Oh, was cannon.
Oh god! No, I pray!
One of the ships.
Oh, yay, free stuff.
I'm talking to the viewers.
I hate you all.
There's two
Why do you have... What? Why are you using a stone sword when you had a diamond sword?
Wait, what? I have a diamond sword.
I meant iron, sorry.
I have an iron
Wow, that's two different things.
sword.
There's a creeper. No.
Damn it, I
No.
tried to...
Creeper.
Whoa!
Doo, doo, doo,
Drop
doo,
the button.
Have my
doo,
stuff
doo.
back, please.
No.
It's on the floor.
I don't feel so good.
On the floor by the door.
You're so good.
Seriously.
Am I the only one that gets that on the floor by the door?
Wow.
That's sad. I'm the only one that gets
Oh my
that.
god, I never thought I'd have this opportunity.
What?
I hate you.
Hit and run.
She shoot him and then let him run away.
I think Malachite just likes hit and run.
I'm keeping the TNT though.
Whoa. You can't be shooting people like
You're
that.
going to die.
Stop it. Oh, no.
Find me now.
Hi!
Hi.
Whoa.
I was gonna do it. I was gonna see how much you trusted me. Wow.
What are you guys doing? Are you guys all? Oh, okay. Is this an epic fight?
I didn't mean to actually hit
You in the
you
face.
with the sword.
Please have mercy.
Doop
My
doop
ship
doop
mounted.
doop 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 doop. Hi. What are you doing?
I missed.
What are you trying to do?
I'll get cracked. Oh, I can take my house now.
Do you want? Okay. Do you want me to stay still?
I've already hit you. I'm good.
Okay.
I don't have any more arrows. I want to jump off something.
Hi. What is
I'm gonna
this?
jump off the cliff. Oh, wait, come over here then. There's a
You're
cliff.
gonna live in the furnace house now. You're gonna live in
Come jump off the cliff.
You just took an across the table.
Come jump off the cliff.
Hi, that's me.
Hi.
What if I have like images of like several dudes on the wall?
Hope you have a nice.
Not like I have a calendar of that stuff.
Wow, that's the best sign. Hi. Oh wait.
I want a sign.
Why? Give me the sign, child.
That's my signs. I make them. I make them. Give me the signs. Oh, you guys are so mean. You guys are so mean. Oh, Jesus. Oh. And I still got the sign.
Bed was missing.
And I still
I'm
got
so
the
far
sign.
away, no.
That is what you
You're
call.
best here. You're best in your lose.
Bed in some lube.
System though.
Not my life. Take TNT, but not my life.
You want to jump off the cliff? Yes or no?